Another one. That's how you do it, boys. That's how you do it right there. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Alright, I need a... Oh!
No fucking way, dude. I don't want to be doing this shit. Lol. LOL! Get fucked! Whoop!
Oh, I see him now.
This bike is coming straight.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, what the fuck? We'll have to be patient for a minute because the circle's gonna take a little minute to close.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna come down here.
Vehicle coming,
Right?
And a motorbike. Oh, they're both bum rushing it. Which one we going for?
I don't know. I threw a nade.
Oh, that guy just got out.
Oh my god.
What the
They
hell just happened?
They
dude?
killed the guy. They killed the guy in the vehicle with an Uzi.
Viene un buggy, viene un buggy.
No, yo aquí me voy a quedar acá acostado, güey, gankeando.
Güey, yo me voy a poner atrás de ti de comer. ¿Qué está haciendo?
¡A la bestia, güey! ¡No! ¡A la bestia! ¡A la bestia! ¡Otro! Dejo un copo aquí. ¡Ay, hay otro carro estrenándose, güey.
Ay, güey.
Ay,
And don't blow them up this time. Jesus. Wait, no, abort! There's bad guys.
Where?
Close, there's a vehicle parked right close. Right in front of you. Oh my
On the
god, you're
bridge?
so dead. Yes. It's the guy with the DP, dude. Nice.
I got that DP. I'm gonna do a thing here. And it might
Where's
be
the other
really bad.
guy?
He's behind it.
I hit him.
Okay.
What you're doing is bad, very bad.
Abort. He's got an AK and he's very netting.
I need to heal, yeah. I'm gonna get
I have no
flanked.
helmet. No, this guy gets it, dude.
Hold on. You're behind the car, right?
Yes,
Okay,
but he's gonna revive now.
that's okay. coming.
You gotta make a play, dude. Go,
I am. Oh, he's mad. He's mad. I can't get out of the car. Oh my god. Yes, swag.
I love you, Chaco. I love you.
Oh my god.
Sorry, Christian Stream. I love you all. Oh my god, what a great day. I hurt my mouth, but great day.
Oh, who cares about that? We're live.
He headshot. Listen, that guy headshotted me and you when I was driving in the car.
Yeah, well,
didn't work.
they're amazing at the game. Except they bridge camped the wrong part of the bridge. I accidentally had single fire on. Did you guys see that? I almost failed because of it.
Helmet. This guy have a helmet.
My vest is just gone.
Oh, that other one's got a good one.
It does, okay.
And we still have a UAZ. Is yours good? Oh, they have two. They have two UAZs, dude.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'll get mine.
Oh, this is good. And they
This is
killed
good.
other people. Oh my god.
We're rich, dude.
We
Still
are
41
rich.
alive, dude. We got this.
It's gonna be great.
Here, I'll pick you up.
Bad man.
I'm dropping you off. Yeah, yeah. Oh god, why'd you
They're
do
coming. They're coming.
that? Good job. I'm gonna throw a smoke. I'm throwing a smoke. You be careful. There's someone shooting. Oh, my smoke was bad. Throwing another one. Does he have a good helmet?
Two. I got a 4x2 for you.
I have one.
Get out of there, dude.
Oh, I'm getting. Oh, I think I saw some 5.56 on the ground right here. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, first aid's flash? Okay. Alright, I'm coming. And we have this, yeah, the...
We're right, let's support it. Let's give it an extra support in the middle. Is that your smoke just going off?
yeah. Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Okay, I didn't want those. I have 9 first aids, no big deal.
Alright. Good luck. Good luck getting through that, bro. I got 4.
4x.
No, I have one.
Just keep our goodies here. We're gonna get a lot more. These guys at the end of the bridge, dude. Oh, there's another UAZ down there, dude.
I mean,
I'll
we're
be right
fully
back.
blocked. No, we're fully blocked
Yeah,
off
but
here, dude.
I want to really block it off.
Okay.
You do you.
Well, what other thing we could do is shoot them down so they're all on fire. I mean, that's one of my dreams. So I'm gonna not let my dreams be dreams. Which one's smoking here?
Okay.
This one.
There's one smoking the.
Alright, this one's on fire.
Coming in hot. Can't see.
Don't crash. Do not crash into these.
All right.
Two of them are on fire now. I'm not gonna waste any more ammo. I think 2 on fire is pretty good. How much 5.5 do you have?
A lot.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna actually get the other one on fire then. Hold on. Oh, I'm zorping.
We
Alright,
should just let him hit it, dude.
Yeah, we should.
Whoever it is,
We
just
should.
let him hit it.
Oh, thanks for the ammo.
Not even, hey, we'll give him. What's the wave? It's what's the thing?
I don't know. I don't have it.
Come on, dude.
I don't have it. I have emotes unbound, sadly.
Why?
Well, because I bound my map key to the emote button. Yeah, I'm all about it, dude. I'm just gonna sit here. The circle's closing, so they gotta come. I'm gonna boost up. Don't even shoot. Don't even peek. Here comes
Bike,
somebody.
Here it comes.
Wait,
Oh, underneath.
they're sending it.
Oh, they went underneath.
But there's probably more. Still 27 alive, so
Oh.
just we can tank this a little bit. Oh, they're in a boat.
Oh wait, Mike, at the end of the bridge. Don't shoot, don't shoot.
Oh, I got that guy. I'm shooting the boat.
These guys are medding at the end of the bridge. Oh
Alright.
my god.
All right.
They're on a bike though.
I'm not gonna peek
so
anymore. They could try to sneak it through.
I would back up a little bit.
I'm feeling
Here
good.
they come, dude.
Oh boy!
Oh my god.
Happy
dude.
birthday, dude.
I gave him I gave him one of these, dude. Gave him one of these. See, we're coming just like this.
Oh boy!
Oh my.
Oh
god.
no! We're being shot at.
Okay, well, we do have a vehicle here. Think we can throw the needle?
Oh, I don't know. Hold on, I'm looting.
More like, hang on, I'm just being a goblin.
I'm gobbling all the loot. Hold on a second. All right, I'm looted enough, I suppose. There's
Oh, we
more.
got this.
Oh god.
Ready?
Yeah. Take the bike, right?
Hang on. Yeah, yeah.
These guys are shooting each other over there still.
I know. Just want to make sure we don't get shot here. I gotta shoot the tire.
Oh, I see him under the... Let's just go. One's under the RV over there, but it's just stupid to...
Okay, go.
Oh, boy.
Can't get better than that, dude. I'm gonna watch a replay.